Remember your first time trying to ride a bike? It was scary, right? The uncertainty, the fear of falling, and the challenge of balancing all at once. You probably wobbled a lot and maybe even fell a few times. Each fall was a lesson, each wobble a step towards mastering the skill. The stock market felt the same way to me when I first started. It was a new, daunting world, filled with complexities that seemed insurmountable. It was intimidating, full of numbers, charts, and jargon I didn't understand. The sheer volume of information was overwhelming, and I felt like I was drowning in data. I felt lost, unsure of where to even begin. The more I tried to understand, the more confused I became. Back then, I didn't have the luxury of trading simulators. The tools and resources available today were non-existent. Information was scarce, and learning often came from costly mistakes. Each error was a financial hit, but also a valuable lesson. One of my earliest memories was investing in a company because their product seemed cool. It was a naive decision, driven by excitement rather than analysis. I didn't research the company's financials or understand their market position. I ignored the fundamentals, focusing only on the surface appeal. Needless to say, it was a disaster. The stock plummeted and my investment evaporated almost overnight. The stock plummeted and I learned a harsh lesson about the importance of research and due diligence. It was a painful but necessary experience. That experience, while painful, was invaluable. It taught me the critical importance of understanding what I was investing in. It taught me that approaching the stock market with blind enthusiasm could be financially devastating. I realized the need for a solid foundation of knowledge. It highlighted the crucial need for knowledge, strategy, and, most importantly, practice before risking real money. Today, I approach the market with a blend of caution and confidence, always remembering those early lessons. Many new investors make the same mistake I did, jumping in head first without truly understanding the market. They hear stories of overnight riches and are lured in by the excitement of potential profits. They fail to realize that successful investing is a marathon, not a sprint. This eagerness often leads to impulsive decisions driven by emotion rather than logic. Fear and greed become constant companions, leading to panic selling during market dips and chasing after volatile stocks with inflated expectations. This is where the concept of paper trading comes into play. Imagine being able to test the waters before diving into the ocean. That's what a trading simulator allows you to do. It's a risk-free environment where you can trade virtual money and experience the market's ups and downs without the fear of financial loss. Think of a trading simulator as your personal stock market training ground. It mirrors the real market, allowing you to buy and sell stocks, track your portfolio's performance, and even practice different trading strategies. The beauty of a simulator is that it allows you to make mistakes without real-world consequences. You can test different investment approaches, learn how various market factors influence stock prices, and familiarize yourself with order types and trading terminology. This practice is crucial for building confidence and developing your investment instincts. It helps you understand your risk tolerance, define your investment goals, and most importantly, learn from your mistakes without incurring financial penalties. While there are many trading simulators available, I recommend starting with Webull. It's a user-friendly platform that offers a realistic trading experience with a sleek and intuitive interface. Webull provides real-time market data, a wide range of technical indicators, and even allows you to participate in simulated trading competitions. What sets Webull apart is its accessibility. It's completely free to use, making it a fantastic resource for beginners. You don't need to provide any credit card information or make any commitments. Simply download the app or access it through your web browser, and you're ready to start your simulated trading journey. Webull's combination of realistic simulation, comprehensive features, and user-friendly design makes it an ideal platform for beginners to dip their toes into the world of stock trading without any financial risk. Section 5, Simulating Success, a step-by-step guide to using Webull. Getting started with Webull is simple and straightforward. First, head to your App Store or the Webull website and download the app or desktop version. Whether you prefer using your smartphone or your computer, Webull has you covered. The installation process is straightforward and similar to any other app. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Next, once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create your free account. This step is crucial as it sets up your profile and trading preferences. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address and a secure password, but no credit card details are required at this stage. Then take some time to familiarize yourself with Webull's interface. This will help you navigate the app more efficiently. Explore the different sections, including watch lists, charts, and your portfolio. Each section offers unique tools and insights to help you make informed trading decisions. After that, Webull provides you with virtual cash to start trading. This is a great way to practice without any financial risk. You can always reset your account balance if needed. This feature allows you to start fresh and try different trading strategies. Finally, now comes the fun part. You can start trading with your virtual cash. Search for stocks you're interested in, research their performance, and place your first simulated trades. This will give you a feel for the market and how trades are executed. Remember, treat your simulated trades as if they were real money. This mindset will help you develop discipline and good trading habits. And make the transition to live trading smoother. Practicing with virtual cash is an invaluable step in becoming a successful trader. Section 6. The Trading Journal, your key to unlocking market insights. One of the most valuable habits you can develop while using a simulator is keeping a trading journal. This isn't just about recording your buy and sell orders. It's about analyzing your decisions and understanding the why behind your trades. For each trade, jot down: which company's stock did you trade? At what price did you buy and sell? Why did you choose this particular stock? What indicators or news influenced your decision? How did you feel before, during, and after the trade? Were you confident, anxious, or driven by FOMO, fear of missing out? Was the trade profitable or not? What did you learn from it? This journal will become your personal feedback mechanism. It will help you identify patterns in your trading behavior, understand your strengths and weaknesses, and refine your strategies over time. Section 7. Patience, Young Padawan, Mastering the Art of Strategy. Remember, the goal of using a simulator is not to make virtual millions overnight. It's about learning the ropes, honing your skills, and developing a sound trading strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Focus on these key areas. Determine how much you are willing to risk on each trade, and set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Learn how to evaluate a company's financial health by examining its revenue, earnings, debt, and other financial metrics. Familiarize yourself with charting tools and indicators that can help identify trends and potential trading opportunities. Practice staying disciplined and not letting your emotions dictate your trading decisions. Remember, consistency and patience are key. It's about making informed decisions, managing your risk, and gradually building your knowledge and confidence. Section 8. Charting your course to stock market success. Embarking on your stock trading journey can feel like navigating uncharted waters. The stock market can be unpredictable and daunting, much like the open sea, but don't let that intimidate you. With the right approach and a commitment to learning, you can chart a course towards success. It's about having a clear plan and being prepared for the journey ahead. Here's a recap of the steps we've covered. These steps are your compass, guiding you through the complexities of the market. Understand that stock trading requires time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a disciplined practice. There are no shortcuts to success. Every successful trader has faced challenges and learned from them. Utilize a trading simulator like Webull to practice and gain experience without risking real money. This is your training ground. Approach simulated trading with the same seriousness and discipline as you would with live trading. Treat it as if real money is on the line. Maintain a detailed trading journal to track your progress, identify patterns, and refine your strategies. This journal is your personal logbook. Prioritize gaining knowledge and developing your skills over making quick profits. Education is your most valuable asset. Remember, successful investing is a journey, not a destination. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals. It requires continuous learning, adaptation, and discipline. The market is always changing, and so should you. By starting with the simulator, you're equipping yourself with the knowledge and experience necessary to navigate the exciting world of stock trading with confidence. This foundation will serve you well, so take your time, learn from your mistakes and enjoy the ride. But the journey is as important as the destination. Embrace each moment and keep moving forward.